Happy morning, children. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the third chapter, algebra. Dear children, take your third chapter note and start writing. Children, have you completed homework? Exercise 3.8, first some subdivisions I gave homework, isn't it? Have you completed? Take your homework and check your answers. First one, find each of the following polynomials by using synthetic division. Second subdivision, 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus 2. Here you have to take this polynomial p of x. Let p of x is equal to this polynomial, you should write it. Then first x cube term, isn't it? X cube, then cubical expression this one. So how many factors we will get? Very good, 3 factors we will get, isn't it? So first factor we have to find. Then afterwards we can use which one? Synthetic division method. Okay. Then how we can find sum of the coefficients is equal to suppose 0 means which is the factor, x minus 1 is the factor we will get, isn't it? But here then x place here all coefficients, all coefficient you should write it here minus 2 we got, isn't it? This is not equal to 0, therefore x minus 2 is not a factor of p of x. Then next condition we have to check. Sum of the coefficient of even powers of x with constant. Okay, even power and a constant coefficient you should take it. And this to add means minus 1 we got. Then sum of the coefficient of odd power is odd power also should add it. Then minus 1. Okay. Then this two equal. So which is the factor? X plus 1 is the factor of p of x. Did you get? Then afterwards we can use this synthetic division method. Okay. And the given polynomial, all coefficient you should write it. Okay. And then dividing time we will get what? X plus 1. Divisor is the x plus 1 is the factor. So x plus 1 is equal to 0 means x equal to minus 1. That minus 1 we have to divide. Then first term put 0, add it, then you find out. Okay, last you will get 0. Okay, then remaining is the quotient, isn't it? Remaining what polynomial? This one you should take it. This is the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means using the factorization method 2 factors we can find, isn't it? Like this 2 factors we got, and then afterwards answer write it. Then equal to already x plus 1 we got, that x plus 1 one factor, x minus 2 is another factor, x minus 2, 2x minus 1 is another factor. Okay, like that how many factors you will get? 3 factors you will get. Okay, did you get this answer? Okay, then next third question is, third one, minus 7x plus 3 plus 4x cube. We have to take let p of x is equal to this solution. P of x is equal to, and the order wise you should write it 4x cube minus here 0 x square. X square is missing, isn't it? And then minus 7x plus 3. Arrange it. Suppose like this also we can do. Okay. If x equal to 1, x plus 1 substitute means then substitute. Then that time if we get 0 means then which is the factor? X minus 1 is the factor of p of x. Okay, this method also we can follow. Have you understood? Otherwise this method already sum of the coefficient of this method also you can follow. Then otherwise x plus first substitute 1. 1 substitute means then 0 if you get means which is the factor? X minus 1 is the factor of p of x. Suppose here did not get 0 means then x plus minus 1 substitute. Okay, minus 1 substitute in time if you get 0 means then which is the factor? X plus 1 is the factor of p of x. Okay, here x equal to 1 substitute in time if we got 0, therefore which is the factor? X minus 1 is the factor of p of x. One factor we got, isn't it? Therefore, x minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 find out. Okay, 0 of the divisor find out. X equal to 1. That 1 you should write here. All coefficient you should write it. Missing place 0 substitute. Okay. Then afterwards this is the quotient. Then 4x square minus 4x minus 3. And then 4 and minus 3 multiply. Okay. Product minus 12. Sum. Which one? 4. Sum is 4. Okay. Then sum 4. What are the numbers you find out? Okay. 6 and minus 2. Then instead of 4x, okay, x is split and write it. Okay. 6x minus 2x. And afterwards the 2 term, compare it. First 2 term, this one. Compare. Common you should take outside. Like this here also. Here also common you should take outside. 2x plus 3. Here 2x plus 3. And then remaining 2x minus 1. Like this 2 factors we got. Already x minus 1 is 1 factor we got. Therefore answer is x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. This is your homework. Have you completed? The next one. Fifth sum. X cube minus 7x plus 6. This one also the same model. Check your answers. Answer only you should check it. Okay, x minus 1 is the factor you will get. Then afterwards answer is what? X minus 1 into x plus 3 into x minus 2. Okay. Then sixth sum. X cube minus 10x square minus x plus 10. Okay, here also like that. P of x. Take it, x plus 1 substitute in and we got 0. Therefore, which is the factor? X minus 1 is the factor. And then afterwards synthetic division method follow. Okay, then here quadratic equation 2 factors find out. Answer is x minus 1 into x minus 10 into x plus 1. Correct? Did you get the answer? Very good. Today we are going to see exercise 3.40. X sum also factorize. X cube minus 5x square minus 2x plus 24. Children, this factorization very important. And next year also often you want to use this factorization method. And that time we cannot explain again. So with the help of a factorization method you find out. Like that only we will tell. So now itself you study well. Factorization thorough it. No other way. Okay. And then here factorization method very important. Okay. Then first here the factorize. Here x cube term is given. Here cubic expression is given. Isn't it? So how many factors we will get? If you factorize means then how many factors? 3 factors we will get. Isn't it? First we have to take given polynomial p of x, you should take it. P of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square, then minus 2x plus 24. Okay. And then here sum of the coefficient like that also you can find. Otherwise when p of x plus you have to substitute 1. Okay. 1 substituting time. What's the value? If you get 0 means x minus 1 is the factor we can write. Shall we say? X plus 1 substitute 1 cube. 1 cube means 1 isn't it? 1 cube is 1 minus 5 into 1. 5 into 1 square is what? 1 isn't it? Okay. Then minus here 2 into 1 is minus 2 plus 24. Okay. Then this one everything you should add it. 1 and 25 add. 24 add it. 25 we will get. 25 minus 7 is equal to what? 18. Isn't it? 18. This is not equal to 0. Therefore at once we can write what? Which is x minus 1 is not a factor. Not a factor. Okay. So we have to check when p of minus 2 is minus 1 we can check. 1 did not get 0 means then minus 1 substitute. Okay. Then minus 1 how we can substitute here? X plus minus 1 the whole cube minus 5 into minus 1 the whole square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 24. Correct? And equal to here cube, isn't it? Odd power means then usually minus only we will get, isn't it? Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1 is or minus 1, isn't it? Then afterwards here minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, isn't it? 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Okay. Minus 2 into minus 1 is minus into minus plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 24. Okay. Then equal to minus 6 plus 26 equal to 20. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, which is x plus 1, at minus 1 substituting time did not get 0, isn't it? So, which is not a factor, x plus 1 is not a factor, is not a factor. Okay. So, again we have to check. Okay. And here trial and error method. Okay. And then when, again we can check. P of x is equal to, sorry, here first when x is equal to 1 we have to take 1, which implies this one. Okay. X equal to minus 1. Minus 1 means then P of minus 1 is equal to. Okay. Like that here also when x is equal to 2. X equal to 2 if we take means then P of 2 is equal to, P of 2 is equal to x place, then have to substitute 2. Okay. 2 the whole cube minus 5 into 2 the whole square minus 2 into 2 plus 24. Okay. Then equal to 2 into 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8, isn't it? Minus 2 square is 4, isn't it? 4 into minus 5 is minus 20. 2 into 2 is 4 minus 4 plus 24. Okay. Then equal to 8 plus 24 is 32, isn't it? 32. Then minus 24 is equal to 8. This one also we did not get 0, not equal to 0. Therefore, which is not a factor? X minus 2 is not a factor. Not a factor. Correct? Then again we have to check. Okay. And then when we will get 0, up to that we have to find. Okay. When x is equal to minus 2 shall we take? 2 we did not get 0. Then minus 2 also we have to check. Okay. P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 the whole cube. Then minus 5 into minus 2 the whole square minus 2 into minus 2 plus 24. Okay. Then minus, then odd power means anyway minus only we will get, isn't it? 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, isn't it? Then minus 2 the whole square is what? 4, isn't it? 4 into minus 5 is minus 20. Very good. Then minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 plus 24. Okay. Shall we add this to minus 28 plus 28. Okay. This to add means what's the value? 0. Therefore, which is the factor? Hence, one factor we got. Hence, x plus 2 is the factor. Is the factor. One factor we find. Isn't it? P of minus 2 substituting time, we got 0 means which is the factor? X plus 2 is the factor. Already we learned, isn't it? Like that we find. Now we can use which method? Synthetic division method. Okay, remaining 2 factors we want to find, isn't it? So, with the help of synthetic division method, then remaining 2 factors we can find. Okay. Then here given polynomial coefficient you should write. What's the coefficient? 1. Coefficient of x square is minus 5. Coefficient of x is minus 2. Then constant is 24. Okay. Here which is the factor? X plus 2 is the factor. So 0 of the divisor you find out. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. That minus 2 we have to write here. Okay. Then first term we have to put 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Okay. This to add it, minus 7. Minus 7 into minus 2 is minus into minus plus 7 2s are 14. This to add it, big number minus small number, big number sign, plus 12. 12 into minus 2 is minus 24. Am I correct? This to add 0. Okay. Then this is the quotient, this is the quadratic equation, isn't it? Then you say x square minus 7x plus 12. Here 2 factors you find out. Okay. In this quadratic polynomial, 2 factors we can find. X square coefficient is 1. 1 into 12 multiply 12. Product is 12. Then sum is minus 7. What are the numbers we have to find? What are the numbers it will come? 12 we need, here minus 7. Say that 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. If we add this to plus 7 only we will get, isn't it? But we need minus 7. Then so shall we put here minus, here also minus, add this to minus 7. This to multiply 12. Am I correct? So instead of which one we have to split x term, what, minus 4x and plus 3x. Okay. So x square minus 4x plus 3x plus 12. 2 term, compare it, which is common, x is common. Okay. X is common, remaining x. Here x we took outside, remaining 4. This to compare it, which is common, 3 is common. Okay. Remaining here x, here plus or minus, sorry, here also minus. Okay. 4x minus 3x. Like that, here also minus. Minus common you should take outside. Then only we will get what here remaining, x. Okay. Then 1 minus if we take outside means here also minus it will come. Then only we will get what, minus into minus is plus. Okay. Minus 3 into minus 4 is what, plus 12 we will get. Correct? Take here minus. Okay. Then here inside the bracket x minus 4, x minus 4 common. That x minus 4 you should take. Remaining x minus 3. Remaining x minus 3. Okay. Here how many factors we got? 2 factors. X minus 4 and x minus 3. 2 factors. Already here x plus 2, 1 factor we got. Therefore answer I did x cube. Question write it 5x square minus 2x plus 24 is equal to x plus 2 is 1 factor. Then remaining these 2 factors, x minus 4 into x minus 3. Am I correct? Have you understood? This is 5 mark question. Okay, important 5 mark question. Be careful and study. Okay, first we have to find out the 1 factor. Then afterwards, suppose here x minus 2 substituted did not get 0 means then 3 you should take it. When x equal to 3, check it. Okay, 3 also did not get 0 means minus 3 you should take it. Okay, have you understood? Now let's see exercise 3.8, first one, first sum, first subdivision. Then like the previous same model. Okay. Then one more model I am explaining. Let given polynomial p of x you have to take. P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. Okay. Here also we have to substitute. Otherwise here sum of the coefficient first you find out, and then sum of the coefficient of even power, like that also we can check. Okay. Here I am giving when x is equal to 1. Okay. X equal to 1 substitute means the p of x is equal to. Okay. X is equal to 1. which implies P of 1 is equal to x plus 1 substitute. That means 1 cube is 1. Okay, minus 3 into 1 square is what? 1, isn't it? Minus 3. Then 10 into 1 is what? Minus 10. Then plus 24. Okay, this to add it here. 1 and 24 is 25. Okay, minus 13. Minus 13 is equal to, this to add it. What's the value? 25 minus 13 is 12, isn't it? This is not equal to 0. Therefore, which is not a factor? 1 substituted time, we did not get 0. Okay, so very good. X minus 1 is not a factor. X minus 1 is not a factor. So, what we have to do next? Very good. P of when x equal to minus 1. Shall we take minus 1? Okay. Which implies P of minus 1 is equal to x plus minus 1 substitute. Minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 the whole square minus 10 into minus 1 plus 24. Okay, then equal to minus 1 the whole cube is very good. Minus 1, isn't it? Minus 1 the whole square is 1, isn't it? 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Then minus into minus is plus, isn't it? Plus 10 into 1 is 10. Plus 24. And equal to, this to add it, minus 4. Then plus 34, isn't it? Then equal to 34 minus 4 is 30. This is not equal to 0. Okay, this is not equal to 0. Therefore, which is not a factor? X plus 1 is not a factor. Not a factor. Okay. Then what to do next? X plus 1 also not a factor. Then next one, very good. When x equal to 2 we have to take. Okay, shall we take? We should take x equal to 2. Okay, then P of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 3 into 2 the whole square minus 10 into 2 plus 24. Okay, 2 cube means 8, isn't it? Then 2 square is 4, isn't it? 4 into 3 is minus 12. Minus 10 into 2 is minus 20 plus 24. Positive term add it. 24 plus 8 is 32. Minus 32. Then equal to 0. 32 minus 32 is equal to 0 we got, isn't it? X equal to 2 substituting time we got 0. Okay. Therefore, which is the factor? Very good. Therefore, hence, x minus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 is a factor of P of x. Now, one factor we got, isn't it? Here one factor we got with the help of synthetic division method. Using synthetic division. Okay. The help of synthetic division method. Next to 2 factors we can find. Okay. Now, what are the coefficient you should write it? 1. X square coefficient is minus 3, x coefficient is minus 10, constant is 24. Okay. Here, x minus 2 is the factor we got, isn't it? Therefore, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x equal to 2. This is the 0 of the divisor. Okay. This 2 we can write here. Then, first place we have to put 0. Then, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. That 2 should write it here. Minus 3 plus 2 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Add this to minus 12. Okay. Minus 12 into 2 is minus 24. Okay. Last term 0. Okay. If you get 0 means then which is the factor? X minus 2 is the factor. 0 only you will get here. Okay. We want to tell x minus 2 is the factor means here reminder 0 only we will get. Okay. Remaining question you should write it. And this is x square minus x minus 12 is equal to, what's the coefficient of x square? 1. 1 into minus 12 is minus 12. Okay. Product is minus 12. Sum minus 1. What are the values you say? Product minus 12. Sum minus 1. 4 3s are what? 12. Greater number, sign minus shall it give? Then only we will get what is to add means then we will get minus 1. Okay. Then split the x term and write this 2. Okay. Then x square minus 4x and plus 3x minus 12. Factorization method. Okay. Then first 2 term which is common, this 2 term, this 2 term. Okay. Which is common? X is common, isn't it? Then remaining x minus 4. Okay. This 2 which is common? 3 is common. Remaining x minus 4. Okay. And this 2 term x minus 4, here also x minus 4. Inside the bracket what is given, write it. Then remaining x plus 3. Okay. Like that how many factors? 2 factors we got. Okay. And then you write the question here. Answer write it. X cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24 is equal to, already we got x minus 2 is the factor, isn't it? That factor you should write it into remaining 2 factors, x minus 4 into x plus 3. Okay. And how many factors we got? 3 factors. Okay. Have understood this method? This one very important sum. So be careful and study. Next year also very useful for you. Okay. Then suppose x cube term means then how many factors we will get? 3 factors we will get. Then suppose quadratic equation means how many factors we will get? 2 factors. Okay. Factors means then this x power must be 1, isn't it? X power 1. Here also a linear. This is the linear factors. Okay. Next question is homework. Can you do? Homework. Okay. Fourth sum. The same model, one question you practice. Okay. Then only one idea you will get. Okay. Here x cube plus x square minus 14x minus 24. Okay. This is standard form is given. Then no problem. Let p of x is equal to this polynomial you should write it. Okay. Then afterwards when x is equal to 1 substitute. Suppose it did not get 0 means then p of 1 minus 1 substitute. Did not get 0 means then when x is equal to 2 substitute. Next did not get 0 means x equal to minus 2 substitute. Okay, like that any one factor you find out. Then afterwards with the help of synthetic division method then remaining 2 factors find out. Okay, like that how many factors? 3 factors we will get. Okay. This one for your homework. Be careful and do. Okay. You must do this sum. Okay. Then only one idea you will get factorization in this algebra. Factorization again you should practice. Okay. Otherwise you cannot do anything. Okay. Here if you have any doubt you can clear in the interactive session or in the separately you can ask. Okay. Anyway you must study. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you students.